In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a post on Celebix being a beginner. It is to just take a start, otherwise you have to write the whole post by your own. To make a post you have to click on Create Post option. First of all you have to write a title for your post, like I choose Atif Aslam. Then you have to choose a relevant flair for your title. Here I choose mine favorite. After that you have to give a short introduction about your post. Here it is. After writing the text you just have to select it and press the T button and choose heading to convert it into a heading. Then you have to get some images for your post. You simply open Google and get it in images. Open an image and after long press you can download it. After that you have to go to Wikipedia of your character and select the relevant text. After copying it you have to go to a paraphrasing tool named Quillbot. If not possible, select the text in step by step. You can also summarize if text is very large. Then you will paste the text in Paraphraser and it will rewrite it. It might take some time. Then you'll open your post tab from tabs and go to your post. Then you copy the text and paste it in your post. As you can see there are many options. Simply the one showing image sign is used mostly to add images. You simply have to click on it. You will go to the gallery like this and you go to browse and open up the picture folder. Select the image and it will be on your post. After some distance repeat the process again. Then the most important thing of your post is my opinion, experience or review must be added in your post. Convert it to heading again. It is always handwritten and shows what you thinks about your character. As he is a singer, so you must add a favorite song of him. Add this section according to character, like movie if an actor. Search his songs and select your favorite one. Open it in YouTube and copy the link of the video. You can get link from share button. Paste the link in your post. Here I will also add another image remaining in my gallery. Now you're almost done. At the end add some questions to engage the audience in your post. You can ask for their opinion or review about it. Select the text and convert it to headings also. Give reference of comments section. Now this time select all the text. You get many options along with T. Choose these options to add some designs and text formats. You can bold, change colors, underline, and change style of your text. Like I show you some examples of it. This is how you can make a good post in the Celebix community. At the end promote you post to 10 predictions at least. After that publish it by clicking publish post. And that's it. If you still have any questions you can ask me in comments.